Do you remember the game Where's Waldo? Or is it a book or something like that? Well, I think I get that question. Where's Diana? Where's Diana now? Well, right now I'm home in California. Pretty happy to be here. But I have so many things lined up for the early summer and up until the fall, actually. I'm doing some retreats in Costa Rica. I get a lot of requests for these, and so it's really important that I align them properly. I'm creating them around the content that which people want, which is really impactful because I listen, you know. June 16th to the 23rd, the Diana Stobo Lifestyle Retreat. This is with Isa Dinerman, and what she does is she brings the anti-gravity yoga to the retreat. It's super amazing. Have you ever hung upside down? It stretches your body, it opens up every part of you, and just helps to detoxify the fine cellular tissue inside your body. But it's more than that. It's actually a metaphor for life. The reason I call it the Diana Stobo Lifestyle Retreat is because we start off in a detox, and then we go on an adventure, and then we end up with an amazing organic biodynamic wine tasting. It gets you a little loopy because life is about that. Life is about going the ups and the downs and really feeling your way through. People lose weight. They have epiphanies. They surrender to a part of themselves that they've been, wanting for a long time. I can't even tell you the profound changes that occur in just 7 days. So I invite you to check out my website, theretreatcostarica.com, or just email me directly through info@Diana Stobo, and I will connect you on that Diana Stobo Lifestyle Retreat. The other retreat we have coming up is right after that. It's the 7 Colors of Your World. It's a chakra balancing retreat, very detoxifying, starting from your first chakra all the way to your crown. Each day you eat the colors of your chakra in order to nurture it and heal it and move it through the system. There's amazing courses led by Kelly Barron, and she does Reiki. She holds most beautiful yoga sessions that go deep, deep into the soul. We will also be doing many activities in nature and in the water, each coordinating with the chakra in order to balance it. It's a very, very exciting retreat, and in fact, I'll be doing a bunch of videos with her to build up so that you can really feel the kind of energy that we're going to bring to the table. That would be June 23rd to the 31st in Costa Rica. July 24th to the 29th. This is a 5-day event. This is a culinary intensive, which means you're going to come and put on an apron, and you are going to be in the kitchen with me and the chefs all day long. We're going to create menus, we're going to cook foods, we're going to serve guests, we're going to do every part of the experience of cooking. You're going to learn so many different things, from raw foods to vegan foods to how to garden to how to pick vegetables, how to buy certain vegetables, what are superfoods, how to ferment, how to make cashew cheeses, how to make sauces and delicious, delicious vegan meals, and not just vegan. We're going to explore all the wonders of vegetables and farm-to-fork cuisine. Okay? Super excited. July 24th, 29th. The caveat to this is that we need to have 6 people minimum, because in order for us to take over the kitchen, we have to be a pretty powerful group. It's going to be fun. And there will be organic biodynamic wines included, because you can't have good food without good wine, right? And the much acclaimed Naked Challenge. Now, the Naked Challenge has never gone live. It's never gone direct. It's always been online. It's either in book form, or I have had like podcast and teleseminars with my group. This will be the first time that I actually work directly with my group to the Naked Challenge. And the Naked Challenge, for those of you who have done it, and there's been a lot of people who have done it and done it over and over and over again, know the benefit of the intense work that we do beyond detox. This is it's an opening, it's a surrender, it's a life-changing way of being. And the reason it's 10 days long is because 7 days will get you there, but 10 days will make it part of your life forever. And I think you owe it to yourself, and you certainly deserve it, to take that time for yourself, to really give yourself the detoxifying, the nurturing, the love, the support, the changes that you need in order to carry on the rest of your life. These are components that you will learn, parts of yourself that will be uncovered. You'll be sexier, healthier, happier, more vibrant than ever before. And we call it the Naked Challenge, not because you have to get naked, although you can certainly get naked if that's what you want to do. And you might want to at the end of the 10 days because you'll feel so good. But we call it the Naked Challenge because it's really stripping away all the things that weigh you down. And that's beyond food. So that is August 2nd to the 12th. I'm very excited about that. And I think there's a lot of people who are very excited about it as well. So sign up soon because I think that one's going to be very, very packed. Okay, so that's where Waldo is. I mean, Diana, coming up in 2018. Hope to see you there.